Welcome. Today, we'll talk about how to check DataStage Services. This process is crucial to keeping your system running smoothly. We follow a systematic approach. Step-by-step troubleshooting helps avoid surprises. We'll verify key components like databases, application servers, and engine services. And of course, a little prevention goes a long way. Being proactive reduces the risk of failures before they happen. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's start with the database. It's the heart of everything. First, check if it's running. If it's down, nothing else works. Then verify your connection credentials. A wrong username or password can ruin your day. Next, confirm schema accessibility. No missing tables, no surprises. And finally, peek at the logs. They don't lie, any issues lurking there need fixing. Now, onto the application server. First things first, make sure it's up and running. If it's down, nothing works. Check resource utilization, CPU, memory, anything maxed out. That's a red flag. If the logs scream errors, take action. And if all else fails, restart. That's the universal IT solution. The engine is what drives everything. First, find the startup script. Don't worry, it's not hiding. Then execute the command. A simple right. But wait, did the process actually start? Always confirm. And don't forget those logs. If there's an issue, they'll let you know before it becomes a headache. Logs are like the black box of your system. They record everything good or bad. Checking logs regularly helps us catch issues before they snowball into bigger problems. We need to look for recurring patterns, because a one-time glitch might be an accident, but a repeat offender is a problem. Alerts ensure we're not glued to screens 24/7, and using log analysis tools makes it all feel less like detective work and more like a well-oiled system. Giving everyone admin access might sound fun, until someone accidentally wipes out an entire database. We must verify who has access and ensure they have just enough to do their job, no more. Regular audits help us spot potential security gaps, and revoking unnecessary permissions keeps the system safe from accidental or intentional mischief. WebSphere is a powerhouse, but even the best systems need a health check. Validating components ensures everything is deployed properly. Misconfigurations can lead to frustrating issues, so keeping settings consistent is key. Testing interactions keeps things smooth, and keeping versions updated ensures we're not relying on ancient tech that belongs in a museum. Connectivity issues can make the best systems feel broken. We need to check networks and response times to ensure quick interactions. Database connections should be stable. No one wants their queries lost in cyberspace. APIs are the glue that holds our integrations together, so they must work flawlessly. If there's latency, users notice it before we do, so fixing it early saves a lot of frustration. Errors are inevitable, but how we handle them makes all the difference. Finding the root cause prevents recurring nightmares. Logs are our best friend in tracking down issues. Before rolling out fixes, we test them, because a quick fix can sometimes create bigger problems. Documenting resolutions means next time, instead of scrambling, we'll already know the answer. Restarting services isn't just an IT cliché. Sometimes it's genuinely the best solution. But before pulling the plug, we ensure it's actually needed. A controlled restart prevents unnecessary downtime, keeping users happy. Post-restart checks confirm everything is working fine. And if restarts are happening too often, we dive deeper. Because have you tried turning it off and on again? Shouldn't be the only strategy. The goal is a system that runs so smoothly people forget it exists. Regular health checks help us catch hiccups before they turn into breakdowns. Performance bottlenecks slow everything down, so fixing them keeps things running like a well-oiled machine. High availability ensures we're not facing unexpected outages. And optimizing resource usage means we're not wasting valuable computing power. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.